Guys, look what I have in my hands, the Huawei Watch GT2e. This is a spin-off to the GT2 series, and E means energy. Why? Because this is a sports watch. The GT2 and the GT1 are probably more of a daily wear. This one, they took a sidetrack and making it look more sporty and feel more sporty for those who are into sports, be it gym, running outside, basketball, swimming, name it, you have it here. And I'm Richmond of Gadget Sidekick. Join me as I unbox and give you the first impression of this awesome new watch. Let's go! So we have a black box again from Huawei, and you can see up front it's the color green edition. So it depends on what color you choose. There are 4 colors to choose from, and mine is the color green, mint green to be exact. Now guys, let's unbox the Huawei Watch GT2e. So upon opening the box, you can see the unit itself. The watch looks so clean. Okay? So first impression, I can say that Huawei took away the markers on the bezel. The second markers like 5, 10, 15, 20, it's no longer here. And next thing, it looks like a unibody. So you can see the stainless body connecting to the TPU. It's so seamless. By the way, you can replace the color of the strap. Probably this can be purchased pretty soon on Huawei. And before that, let's see what other things are inside the box. We have here a manual. Of course, don't forget the USB Type-C cables that is included, as well as the charging dock. Okay, so it's very simple package. Then there are 2 buttons on the side, so I kind of like the way they changed things up. It used to be a circular button, but right now they changed it a bit into a quite rectangular one with some chamfered edges. Looks cool, really a distinct design on its own. So the next thing I like is that they changed the strap from leather strap or from the whole black strap. They changed it to perforated strap. You can see here, it's a 2-tone strap, black and green. It looks a lot more sporty. So people sweat a lot when they're doing sports. So this one making it a lot more breathable and a lot more lighter on your wrist. Let's put it up for the first time and see what we have. Okay, so you can see the Huawei logo here while booting up. So the next thing to do is to pair it to the Huawei Health app. Now this is the first watch face that we can see upon booting up, upon connecting to the phone. Let's just take a scroll. When I swipe to the left, you can see my daily stats. So how many steps I take, how many minutes of exercise I did, how many times I stand up from the chair. Swiping further to the right, you can see you can control music. So right now you can see upon pressing the top button, it goes back home. When I press the lower button, you can see it's a shortcut going to the workout. There are hundreds of workouts that you can do with this watch. Pretty amazing. Pretty good for sporty persons like me. And it doesn't really limit you indoor, but you can do it outdoor. Yeah, you can even use this at home. Right now we're under quarantine. Even if you do squats and other HIIT activity at home, this is probably very useful as it can count your calorie and other stats that you want to know. Upon swiping down, you can see some basic settings. So do not disturb, show the time, find your phone alarm, and of course your settings. Let's take a stroll on what this phone has. So workout mode, workout records, status of your workout, your heart rate, your SpO2, that's your blood oxygen, activity records, your sleep record, stress level, breathing exercise, music, barometer, compass, notification, your weather, and some important stopwatch, timer, and flashlight. There you go. So I believe that this watch is gonna be pretty amazing. Join me as I test this further and give you a more detailed review on my next video. So I hope you enjoyed my video. This is the Huawei GT2e, and I'm Richmond of Gadget Sidekick. Subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future review. So I hope to see you in my next video. Watch out for the full review of the Huawei Watch GT2e. Bye!